National Bittersweet Chocolate with Almonds Day is an opportunity to celebrate the sumptuous combination of chocolate and almonds. Nearly 40% of all the world's almonds end up in some form of chocolate, most often a candy bar. The pairing is one of the oldest known recipes using chocolate. While National Bittersweet Chocolate with Almonds Day, held on November 7th, is sponsored by the National Confectioners Association, it's primarily an online celebration involving dark chocolate and almond lovers. National Bittersweet Chocolate with Almonds Day activities. 1. Dip it at home. Buy a nice big bar of dark chocolate along with a jar of almonds to make your own dipped almonds at home. You might add a teaspoon or two of cornstarch to thicken the chocolate sauce. Sprinkle them with some sea salt to add extra flavor. 2. Buy a dark chocolate and almond candy bar. You have plenty to choose from. You've got Hershey's Special Dark with Almonds, or a Mounds bar, which includes shaved coconut. Mounds Sister Bar, Almond Joy features milk chocolate, or the Dove Silky Smooth Promises dark chocolate and almond. 3. Tour a chocolate factory. The kids will love you for it. There's Hershey's in, the obviously named, Hershey, Pennsylvania. You can also hit the theme park next door. The Sanders and Morelli Candy Makers Chocolate Factory in Clinton Township, Michigan offers a free tour, as does Hammond's Candies in Denver. 5 reasons why chocolate's healthier than you think. 1. Better fat. Experiments on rats have shown that the fat in cocoa is actually less fattening than the fat in other fatty foods. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Research shows cocoa works as an anti-inflammatory agent in humans. 3. Improved eyesight. Consumption of cocoa thins the blood and improves circulation to the brain. It's thought to improve vision as a result. 4. Good for your skin. Dark chocolate, in particular, contains antioxidants that actually can improve the condition of your skin. 5. Get your fiber. Dark chocolate contains fiber and offers all of the health benefits that fiber brings, including satisfying your appetite. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.